was the aftermath of the storm. Everything's still sopping wet. You know, good old snow pile right there. The fire pit was full to the top. Went to dig me some trenches later on. It's fucking cold as shit. I was wanting to collect some water. I caught hail. Literally. Nothing tore up, really lost it. This was all nice and clean. Had this here all set up. And the flood came, washed up. I guess my charcoal will still be good once it dries out. Everything will dry out eventually. Getting me some solar now. I ain't checked my solar panels if they ain't washed down into the creek. But yeah, this is probably about an hour and a half after all hell broke loose, literally. Got me a tent today. I was waterproofing the bottom of it. I was gonna set it up, but I'm gonna have to wait on that. I'm going to town, get me some seam sealer. I sealed up the bottom of it with a waterproofing thing. And find me a tarp to put underneath it. But yeah, everything ran down. Come up here, right through here, had a river going on. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. But I thought I was doing something today. Now I get to go do it again. But this is a short little clip. Show you the aftermath. Whitebeard, the traveler, out.